Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be taking a look at our new HD LED halos for the 2018 and up Jeep JL Wrangler. These were computer designed to fit any halogen headlight housing on the JL Wrangler and feature almost 320 LEDs per headlight, so they're far brighter and more even than any other halo on the market. These also feature a unique switchback function to give you a bright amber turn signal when turning or using your hazards. Now, because these halos require that the headlights be opened, we do encourage professional installation. These were 100% designed and manufactured right here in St. Louis, Missouri, and are available now on our website. So visit diodedynamics.com for more information or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.